All right, so we're on this Honda CR-V 1997 to, I believe, 2001. In order to take this passenger rear CV axle out, we had to drop the diff. So we had to take out 2 bolts right here, these 2, or actually it's a nut and a bolt. And then at the top here, a nut was right here and a bolt right here. So I didn't know this. I didn't know this when I did it.
Yeah.
But these nuts are welded on here. So when I took this nut off on this side, I broke the weld.
Really?
But the thing is, all you have to do is loosen the bolts on this side, and they'll come right out of these nuts. So don't loosen the nuts because they're going to hold in place because they are welded. Was that on?
It's on.
Okay. And you just take these bolts off on this side over here.
Okay. Yep.
On the driver's side, you take those bolts off.
It's hard to see
It's
from
here in the middle.
It's basically on the other side of that thing.
Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, bring it over here.
Okay, I'm coming around.
Shoot.
Okay, I'm in there.
So right here, the bolt goes through here,
Oh yeah.
and then here's the welded nut.
Okay.
I took the welded nut off here, but I'll just put it back on the bolt, and the bolt went through on this side.
Okay.
So that's about it. And then you had to get 2 bolts off
Yep.
at the top. Right here. They come through here. See right here? The bolts come through here, but they have to come through the top up here.
I gotcha.
So you have to take the bolts off at the very top,
Yep.
and it comes through here and here,
Okay.
and bolts into the diff right here and here. So
Yeah.
we had to drop the diff in order to get the CV axle out, to get enough play,
Yeah.
and then we took it out of the diff, and then we took it out of here.
Okay.
So that's it.
It was hard to get out there, wasn't it?
Yeah, not easy.
Yeah. Not
easy
easy.
at all.
And we couldn't find any videos on YouTube on how to do this either, so just a quick video just kind of summing up what we're doing at least. Hopefully it will help you. All right.